Imagine stepping into a space where the sun-drenched shores meet the tranquility of a cozy retreat. Where the relaxed elegance of California's lifestyle takes center stage. Welcome to the art of California casual interior design, a style that effortlessly blends comfort, nature, and understated luxury. In this guide, we'll unveil the secrets to creating your very own haven of West Coast serenity, where every corner reflects the laid-back charm of the Golden State. Here are 9 tips to help you achieve the California casual interior design. 1. Ample natural light. Ensure your space is flooded with natural sunlight. To achieve this, use large windows without heavy curtains or blinds. The idea is to let the sunshine in, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere that embodies California's sunny disposition. 2. Soft neutrals. Choose a color scheme dominated by soft, soothing hues. These neutral colors, such as whites, creams, light grays, and gentle beiges, will help to create an open, relaxed ambiance reminiscent of the California coastline and deserts. 3. Natural materials. Incorporate natural elements like wood, stone, and rattan. Opt for hardwood floors, wooden furniture, stone countertops, and rattan accents. These materials not only add warmth but also connect your interior to the natural surroundings of California. 4. Comfortable furniture. Invest in furniture that prioritizes comfort and coziness. Think oversized sofas and sectionals with plush cushions. The aim is to create a space where you can unwind and relax, mirroring the laid-back Californian lifestyle. 5. Cozy textiles. When it comes to textiles, choose fabrics that are soft, breathable, and inviting. Linen, cotton, and jute work well for upholstery, drapery, and throw pillows. Mixing different patterns and textures, such as a textured rug or patterned cushions, adds depth and charm to the design. 6. Seamless indoors and outdoors. Enhance the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Consider installing sliding glass doors or large windows that open onto a patio or deck. Using similar materials and color palettes both inside and out creates a seamless transition, making your home feel like an extension of the outdoors. 7. Local art. Decorate your space with art and photography that celebrates California's unique landscapes and culture. Coastal scenes, desert vistas, or urban street art can all capture the essence of California and serve as conversation starters in your home. 8. Indoor plants. Bring the outdoors inside by incorporating indoor plants. Consider low-maintenance options like succulents, fiddle leaf figs, or snake plants. Greenery not only adds life and vibrancy but also complements the natural theme of California casual design. 9. Minimalistic decor. Keep your decor simple and uncluttered. Use open shelving and storage solutions to showcase a carefully curated selection of items that hold personal significance. The minimalist approach emphasizes the serene and effortless quality of California casual design. Remember that the key to California casual interior design is creating a space that exudes relaxation, comfort, and a connection to nature. Tailor these principles to your personal preferences, and don't hesitate to infuse your unique style into your design to make it truly your own.